Unleash the Poet Within is one of the workshops on our August Energy Camp. And I've included this one because this is one that I love. And those who are aspiring poets, maybe you haven't got the flow going, you can't go deep enough to be able to write from the flow within about your subject. And when you do that, when you connect with this powerful energy flow that comes from a deeper place within, the words that you use, that you write, that you speak, carry that extra energy. And therefore, what you write, the poetry that you write, has extra power in its language, that it touches people and takes them on the journey that you've been on. So we want to practice getting into the flow, getting our poetry flowing, writing poetry, and also sharing it. Not all of us are very confident at sharing from the soul, so we'll have an opportunity to overcome our fears of sharing and be able to get that flow going for ourselves.